Buying an iPad case in 2026 is basically choosing what mode your iPad lives in: laptop mode, note-taking mode, or ultralight tablet mode. These are the cases that actually make sense depending on how you use your iPad every day. Typecase Edge Keyboard Case. This is for people who want the Magic Keyboard vibe without paying Magic Keyboard money. The floating magnetic stand is the headline feature. It lets the iPad hover like a laptop screen and gives you multiple angles without that flimsy folding feel. The keyboard is surprisingly usable for long typing sessions, and the multi-touch trackpad makes the iPad feel way more like a mini laptop for emails, docs, and browsing. Backlighting is a big win if you work at night or in cafes, and having multiple color options is just fun. The pencil holder is also practical because it stops the "where did my pencil go?" problem. In daily use, this is a great case if you treat your iPad as a portable work machine and you want a strong stand plus keyboard without the Apple price. ZAGG Pro Keys. This is the flexible setup option. The keyboard detaches, which sounds small, but it's huge in real life. Sometimes you want laptop mode, sometimes you just want a light tablet for reading, drawing, or taking notes. It has solid drop protection, which is great if your iPad is used in school, travel, or busy work environments. And Bluetooth pairing is simple. The Apple Pencil holder is also a nice touch, especially if you move around a lot and don't want to lose accessories. In daily use, this is great for students and hybrid workers because it gives you both protection and productivity without forcing you into a single laptop-only mode. Apple iPad Magic Keyboard. If you care about typing feel and trackpad quality, this is still the gold standard. The keys feel the most laptop-like, the trackpad is the smoothest, and everything just works instantly thanks to the smart connector. No pairing drama, no laggy connection issues. The USB-C pass-through charging is also super convenient because you can charge your iPad while keeping the main port free for accessories. The function row is a big upgrade for daily use: brightness, volume, playback, all right there. The downside is price and protection. It's not a heavy-duty case. It's more of a turn your iPad into a laptop accessory. If your iPad is basically your laptop replacement, this is the cleanest experience. Belkin's case is for people who want a more work-ready keyboard setup but still want flexibility. The magnetic stand is great because it gives you stable viewing angles for desk work and video calls, and the backlit keyboard helps for late-night typing. Multi-gesture controls make navigation feel faster, and the multimedia keys are super handy if you're using your iPad for music or video often. The magnetic Apple Pencil storage is also a big daily life win because it keeps the pencil secure while you move around. In real use, this case is a good pick if you want a professional keyboard case vibe, and you don't mind using Bluetooth instead of the smart connector style setup. ESR Rebound Series. This is the best pick if you want a lightweight case that still feels protective and practical. The strong magnetic attachment keeps it secured. The trifold stand is simple but reliable for watching videos or typing. And it supports Pencil Pro/Pencil USB-C with proper attachment and charging. Auto Sleep/Wake is one of those small features that you miss when you don't have it. It's also slim enough that your iPad still feels like an iPad, not a laptop brick. In daily use, this is perfect for note-taking, reading, casual browsing, and travel where you want protection without adding weight. If you don't need a keyboard and you want a clean, minimal case that just works, ESR is an easy win. If you want laptop mode productivity without the Apple price, Typecase Edge is a strong option. If you want a flexible detachable keyboard setup, ZAGG Pro Keys is great. If you want the smoothest iPad laptop experience, Magic Keyboard is still the king. Belkin is a solid work-focused alternative with useful keys and stand flexibility. And if you want slim, light protection without a keyboard, ESR Rebound is the practical everyday pick.